Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to turn off the carousel wallpaper on your lock screen on Xiaomi phone. If you are a Xiaomi user, MIUI is force you to see a glance apps, which is the lock screen wallpaper. So how to turn it off? You just go to your setting, you just find your settings, and then you just search for wallpaper carousel like this, and then this is the option of wallpaper. I'm sorry. Okay, let's let's carry on. So this is the wallpaper. If you want to turn it off, just make it off. So later, after you turn it off, you will no more see the wallpaper on your lock screen on MIUI. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.